we start at the shoulders, shoulder width. So locate your shoulder's edge kani siya ha. Kung asa ang edge dyan sa shoulder, and measure from that point over the nape. So musa ka tagamay, and then sa pikas. So across. So from one edge over the nape, and then there. That is your shoulder distance. So for the armhole, measure your armhole, comfortable armhole measurement. Dili huot, dili luag. Kamo na bahala ana. We will base this off your measurements sa ihatag namo. Okay? Sleeve length nato is standardized for uniform na sa 8 or 9, so you can give 8 or 9 depende kung asa mo ganahan ka sa kataas. Okay. So bust line. It is very important na the measuring tape is horizontal to the floor. So ana, okay? So that is horizontal to the floor measurement. Make sure nga sakto siya from the back. Wala siya gaana, kay muhuot na siya, kinahanglan ana gid na siya. Muna siyang sakto. Horizontal to the floor. Okay? Locate the deepest part sa likod. Deepest part of the back. And then measure that from there towards the front. Okay? Ano na siya. Kung natin yung stomach, measure over your stomach. Is hips line. Locate the highest point of your lubot. So, kinahanglan siya, dili. Highest point of your lubot. Kaning area. Okay? Then measure around that area. Ano na siya. That is your hips line. If the client na ay buhion, so ano na siya, measure highest point of the butt para musaka tagamay. Ana, okay? So we need to accommodate the underbelly. So we need to accommodate ang iyang buhion. So that is your hips line. Okay, figure. There are 2 measurements needed for the figure. Okay? Locate this part of the neck where the shoulder meets the neck, this part, and then we'll go down to the deepest part of your back. That is your shoulder to hips measurement. That is figure 1. For your figure 2, that's shoulder to hips from here down to the highest point of the butt. Siya. Figure 1, from here down to the deepest part of the back. Then figure 2, from here down to the highest point of the butt. Kani area. Asa ganahan ang kliyente mag-wear siyang pants. Pangitaw na to ang paha. We will look for the paha sa kasunis. And then we will measure around that part. Okay? So pangitaw na siya. And then, that is your pants waist. Pants hips. Again, locate the highest point of the butt and then measure around that area. That is your pants hips. Notice, wala na kayo allowance diri kay kasunis naman niya. But I would request you put 2 fingers there inside para comfortable. Okay? Amen. Measure around the upper part of the thigh. So, ano? Insertan nyo na siya og 1 finger or 2 fingers for allowance. Ay ra kay luagi kay mubagi na siya. Okay? And then for your pants length, look for kung asan nyo ang paha gibutang. And then down to your desired pants length. Okay? Down to the floor. For your crotch depth, locate ang paha sa front o sa back. Then inyo na siya i-measure ana. So from paha front, dayon, paha back. That is your crotch depth.